Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Audi Q5. So from any screen we need the nav button here at the top, so nav, and then that's come up on the map. If it comes up on the map, click it again, then you've got this menu and we need to highlight address. So onto address, click the rotary control up to, you've got country, town and postcode and street. Postcode's best, so highlight postcode, click again, and then with the rotary control input your postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton-le-Dale, Preston, PR. Now for numbers, the numbers are in the corner here, 09. Each instruction in the corner corresponds to these four buttons here. So if I click the bottom right one, that puts us onto the numbers. And then 5, 4, J, S, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton-le-Dale, Preston, PR5 4JS, and it's the OK comes up in the middle, but if you just leave it, it goes on to the next screen. So you can select OK on the previous screen, but if you're talking like I am, it just goes on to the next screen. And then you've got your highlight start route guidance there. Click start route guidance. That's it done.